Hey, Casey Page here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Infusionsoft Order Forms with iTracker360. Now you're going to be able to collect tracking data in the custom fields that we set, but you will not be able to capture the lead source from the new Infusionsoft Order Forms. I don't know why you can't capture the lead source. It might be an Infusionsoft bug. We can set the lead source on any other form, but it just doesn't work with the new Infusionsoft forms. Maybe that'll be fixed in the future, but I don't know. But at least you can capture the tracking data in custom fields. So to show you this, let me log into my Facebook, and what I've done is I created a test link that will send me to my iTracker site, and I have some tracking data set here. So the source is Facebook, newsfeed, and then order form tracking. So this is the tracking data that I want to capture inside Infusionsoft. And so what's going to happen is, people are going to browse your site. They're going to end up on a page where they can click on a link that's going to take them to the Infusionsoft.com domain, and then they're going to order something. So if I click on this link, I'm on the Infusionsoft order form. The first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to add the iTracker tracking snippet to your order form. So to show you that, inside Infusionsoft, here's my order form. Just grab the iTracker tracking snippet and throw it in the custom footer. You can put it in any of these fields. I just put it in the footer and then I save it. Now I already have the tracking snippet added to this order form. So I think this might have been an old one. So I think this was the page. So I'm going to inspect this and show you what the tracking data looks like when you just set it up just like that, when you just add the snippet and send people to your order form. The tracking data is going to say it was a referral from the domain that they just came from, which technically that is correct. It is a referral from that website, but that's probably not what you want. What you want to see is, it was a Facebook news feed, order form tracking. That was the tracking data that I set in my tracking link. That's what you want to collect. So to do that, what you have to do is pass the tracking data from your domain to the Infusionsoft.com domain. Now with iTracker, we have something built in that's going to help you do that. So let me go back to this page, and I'm just going to modify this link so that it'll pass the tracking data from this link to the order form. So I'm just going to open up my live editor, and what I have is some custom HTML to basically show this link. So I'm going to edit this. So this is just a basic link. It says click here to order now, and we're sending them to this domain. So to pass the tracking data, I'm just going to put class equals iTracker add UTMs. So you just put this class name, and this is a iTracker class that we have built into the snippet. That'll work if you're using the iTracker Ultimate, and just insert that, and I'm going to save this page. And to do a full test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear my cookies. So I'm just going to delete all these cookies on this site, and then I'm going to delete all the cookies on my Infusionsoft site. So I just want to show you that this is a full test. So what I'm going to do is click on this link again. I'm back at this domain, and they're going to end up on your order page. So now when I hover over this link, and you can see it down here in the status bar, if you look closely, you can see the source, medium, and campaign added, and that's what iTracker did. That was the class name that we added to this link. So when I click on this link, now you can see the tracking parameters. So we just passed the tracking data from one domain to the other domain. So I'm going to fill this out, and I'm going to show you what happens. So test order form. Just put in some dummy data here, and test order 9 at order.test.com. None of this matters. And I'm going to put in a dummy credit card here, since this is in test mode. And when I submit this form, iTracker is going to capture this data. It's going to store it in the custom fields, and we can double check if you inspect this web form. And this is what I do, before I submit a form. Here's the hidden fields added by iTracker: Facebook newsfeed, order form tracking, and then here's also the lead source. Now we're going to try to set the lead source, but it's not going to actually make it to Infusionsoft, and I'll show you that. So I'm going to place this order, and I'm going to log into my Infusionsoft Sandbox account, my test account, and I'm going to search for test order. Got a whole bunch of these. So that was the test order 9. Was this guy. And so the lead source is set by the Infusionsoft tracking code. We can't set it. I mean, we tried, but we couldn't set it. But if you go to your custom fields, you'll see the GA fields that iTracker sets. So at least you'll be able to capture this. And then if you have an HTTP postback set up so that once they fill out the order form, or if they purchase something, it sends a postback to the iTracker server, then you will get the tag tracking. And so the tag would have said basically, Facebook newsfeed order form tracking as a tag. So that's how you capture the tracking data using iTracker360 and the new Infusionsoft order forms. Thanks.